Hello everybody, welcome to Living La Vida Longer. Here you will find the secrets to increasing lifespan and longevity. Have you ever wondered at the incredible power of nature to produce remedies for our health issues? Today, we're going to delve into the world of natural healing with a special focus on herbs, those unassuming yet powerful agents of health. But these aren't just any herbs, they are renowned for their ability to prevent and even repair nerve damage. It's true. Nerve damage, a condition many believe to be irreversible, can be addressed with the right natural approaches. Peripheral neuropathy is a condition resulting from damage to the peripheral nerves, which connect the brain and spinal cord to the rest of the body. This damage can be caused by various factors, including diabetes, infections, injuries, and exposure to toxins. Common symptoms of peripheral neuropathy include numbness, tingling, and pain, often in the hands and feet. Whether you're seeking hope or are simply curious about the power of natural healing, this video is a must-watch. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so we can help you live a longer, healthier life. Let's uncover the secret healing properties of the most powerful 5 herbs for nerve health. At number 5 we have Ginkgo Biloba. Ginkgo Biloba, a medicinal herb derived from one of the oldest tree species on Earth, has long been celebrated for its health benefits, especially in improving nerve health. Its primary active components, flavonoids and terpenoids, are potent antioxidants that play a crucial role in protecting nerves from oxidative damage, which is a significant factor in the development and progression of neuropathy. These antioxidants help neutralize harmful free radicals, thereby safeguarding nerve cells and enhancing their longevity. Furthermore, Ginkgo Biloba is known for its ability to improve blood circulation, which is vital for nerve function. Enhanced blood flow ensures that nerves receive sufficient oxygen and essential nutrients, which are critical for their repair and maintenance. Ginkgo Biloba is versatile in its use, available in various forms such as capsules, extracts, and teas. Scientific studies have demonstrated its effectiveness in improving symptoms of peripheral neuropathy, with evidence showing that it can alleviate nerve pain, reduce tingling sensations, and enhance overall nerve function. By boosting circulation and providing antioxidant protection, Ginkgo Biloba offers a natural and effective approach to managing and preventing nerve damage. Coming in at number 4 is Rosemary. Rosemary, a fragrant herb commonly used in cooking, also offers impressive medicinal properties, particularly for nerve health. The primary active component in rosemary is rosmarinic acid, which has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. These properties make rosemary an effective herb for reducing nerve inflammation and protecting against oxidative stress, which can damage nerve cells. By improving circulation, rosemary ensures that nerves receive adequate blood supply, which is essential for their proper function and repair. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients are delivered to nerve cells, facilitating their health and regeneration. Additionally, rosemary has been shown to enhance cognitive function, which is linked to its neuroprotective effects. This makes it particularly beneficial for conditions where nerve function and cognitive health intersect. Rosemary can be utilized in several forms, including essential oils, teas, and as a culinary ingredient. Scientific research supports its efficacy, with studies indicating that rosemary can improve memory, reduce neuroinflammation, and protect against neurodegenerative diseases. At number 3 is St. John's Wort. St. John's Wort, a well-known herb in traditional medicine, is highly regarded for its antidepressant properties and its ability to relieve nerve pain. The primary active component in St. John's Wort is hypericin, which plays a crucial role in its therapeutic effects. This herb works by modulating neurotransmitter levels in the brain, particularly serotonin, dopamine, and norepinephrine. By balancing these neurotransmitters, St. John's Wort not only improves mood, but also has a significant impact on reducing nerve pain and enhancing overall nerve function. Its antidepressant properties are particularly beneficial for individuals with peripheral neuropathy, as chronic nerve pain can often lead to depression and anxiety. St. John's wort can be consumed in various forms, including extracts, teas, and capsules, making it accessible and easy to incorporate into daily routines. Research has shown that St. John's wort can help alleviate symptoms of nerve damage, such as burning and tingling sensations, while also providing a mood-lifting effect. At number 2, we have Ashwagandha. Ashwagandha, an ancient herb in Ayurvedic medicine, is renowned for its adaptogenic properties and its ability to support nerve health. The active component in ashwagandha, known as withanolides, plays a key role in its therapeutic effects. Ashwagandha acts as an adaptogen, helping the body manage stress more effectively. Chronic stress can exacerbate nerve damage and contribute to the development of neuropathy. By reducing stress levels, ashwagandha helps protect nerve cells from damage and promotes their repair and regeneration. Additionally, ashwagandha has neuroprotective properties, meaning it can shield nerve cells from oxidative damage and other harmful factors. Ashwagandha can be consumed in various forms, including capsules, powders, and teas, making it convenient to incorporate into daily routines. Now for number 1, turmeric. Turmeric, a golden spice commonly used in traditional medicine, boasts a wide array of health benefits, including its remarkable ability to support nerve health. The key active component in turmeric responsible for its healing properties is curcumin. Curcumin possesses potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, which are crucial for managing nerve damage and preventing neuropathy. By reducing inflammation, turmeric helps alleviate pain and discomfort associated with nerve damage, while also promoting the repair and regeneration of nerve cells. Additionally, its antioxidant properties protect nerve cells from oxidative stress, a major contributing factor to nerve degeneration and neuropathy. Turmeric can be easily incorporated into the diet by adding it to various dishes or brewed as a soothing tea. Alternatively, turmeric supplements are available for those looking to boost their intake of this beneficial compound. Numerous scientific studies have supported the efficacy of turmeric in improving nerve function and reducing symptoms of neuropathy, making it a valuable natural remedy for individuals seeking to support their nerve health. The natural world offers a wealth of remedies for managing nerve health and preventing peripheral neuropathy. Through the exploration of powerful herbs like turmeric, St. John's wort, ashwagandha, rosemary, and Ginkgo Biloba, we've uncovered a treasure trove of healing properties. From anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects to stress reduction and nerve regeneration, these herbs offer holistic solutions for those seeking to support their nerve health naturally. By incorporating these herbs into our daily routines, we can harness the remarkable healing powers of nature and take proactive steps towards preserving our nerve function and overall well-being. Please note that this video is for educational purposes only and not intended as a replacement for professional advice. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes, especially if you have existing health conditions. We hope you gained a ton of knowledge from this video. Don't forget to share it with everyone you care about. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.